Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. If you would like to keep up with me, make sure you're following me on all my social media sites, and make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs, Miracle Glow Oil, as well as Larimar Elixir and our soaps that are on SavvyNaturalista.com. With that being said, today we will be doing the waterless skincare routine. So I've done this skincare routine for a week. It is really popular in, I'm about to say Arizona like I have Arizona in my brain, but it's actually really popular in South Korea. South Korean women have been doing this skincare routine for years, and it's becoming really popular here in the States or in America. So it's called the Sinkless / waterless skincare routine. Because I'm a desert dweller, I live in a desert climate, very dry climate, I'm always looking for ways to use less water and add moisture to my skin. And any way I can do that, I am all for trying. So I tried this out for a week, and I actually, let's just talk about it. So many people are under the assumption because it's waterless that, you know, you are using water. Skincare products have water. I know, and a lot of people from blogs I've been reading have been trying to explain it. So let me explain it in layman's terms what people are really trying to say when it comes to the waterless skincare routine. They're just saying that you're only using skincare products. You're not using water, like literally water that comes from the sink to wash your face or shower water to wash your face. I'm just trying to say it in layman's terms, people, okay? So if it's coming off really weird, just bear with me. You'll understand as I get through my little speech. With that being said, so you're using no water from a sink. You're not using water from a shower. You're only using products that have water in them. So water, when you wash your face with water in the morning, let's say if you're just a simple gal, and so washing your face in the morning to you is literally using warm water. You use your little wash rag and you clean your eyes out. You clean your mouth and everything with water. You don't use any soap or anything. Well, with that, you're actually drying your skin out with using water. So even if you're cleansing your face in the morning, you're drying your skin out. So with this skincare routine, it's telling you to use only skincare products to cleanse your skin. No water from a sink or shower, any type of water. Don't use water. I know water can be very refreshing in the morning, especially if you had a bad dream and you just want to splash some water on your face just to start your day. Well, not with this skincare routine. So the first thing I did with this skincare routine is I used Garnier's cleansing water. So this is a drugstore brand that I started off with. This cleansing water actually removes most of the dirt off my face. I want to say I did not do this skincare routine at night. I couldn't do it at night. There are days I wear makeup. There are days I'm out in the weather and it was just a lot of dirt. Like I would have felt sticky. So I couldn't do it in the night. So I just did it in the morning. So I want to start off with that, letting y'all know this is a wonderful morning skincare routine to try. It's not a nighttime skincare routine because, you know, I have to get in the shower. I can't just be sticky. I just can't. I have to take a shower every day. I know, first world problems, I don't care. I'm taking a shower every day. I pay the water bill. I'm taking a shower every day. With that being said, you know, so I use Garnier micellar water. I use that. Then after I cleansed my face with that, because it is a cleansing water, I went in with Sun & Park's beauty water. So Sun & Park beauty water was my toner of choice after I cleansed my face with the micellar water. I decided to use that just to make sure it was a double cleansing effect that I got. And plus I like that water because it has a lovely floral scent that is very refreshing to me. It's not heavy, so if you're very sensitive to fragrances, you may want to try Sun & Park's beauty water because it's a very light fragrance. I mentioned that toner on this blog so much. As a matter of fact, what is it? I just love you so much, Sun & Park beauty water. You are my favorite beauty water of all times. I mean, it's like my holy grail of toner. I love it so much. So after I officially felt my face was cleansed and toned, I went in with Tata Harper's Resurfacing Serum. It's actually formulated with AHAs and BHAs, botanicals, natural ingredients, and I really love this serum so much. It gives me a lovely daily glow, and it makes my face very soft and supple and ready for me to add more beauty products to my skin. With that being said, I just really love it. So I know I have the sample. I've been meaning to splurge on the bigger product, but you know, Tata Harper is really expensive, so I just kind of buy the little mini one, and someday in the future when I get some good money, Tata, I'm going to buy the product. With that being said, I really do love using this resurfacing serum, and you can try it at Sephora. They have it, the little one, and you get lots of other things with it. They have like a little kit, and I have the kit. This is a great resurfacing serum for your face. I love to use it in the morning to give me a nice glow, especially when my face is looking really dull. It gives me that sort of beautiful glass skin effect. So after I lather my face in the resurfacing serum by Tata Harper, I go in with Codalay's Beauty Elixir. Oh my God, I really love this stuff. Make sure you shake it up really well, because you need to shake this stuff up. It has sort of like orange essential oils or some type of orange peel. This stuff is like the most amazing thing that I have ever felt on my skin. It just gives me a really great glow that I like, especially mixed with the Tata Harper's Resurfacing Serum. I mean, you just can't ask for a better product than Codalay's Beauty Elixir, or Codalay's Beauty Elixir. I just love this stuff so much, you guys, and it has a wonderful natural scent. So I like to use the Beauty Elixir and pat it on my skin and wait till my skin dries. It gives it a wonderful glow. Now, right after I go in with the Caudalie Beauty Elixir, of course, I have to use my Laneige water-based cream to give me the heavy moisturizer. I think this is a wonderful cream if you live in the desert and you would like to keep your face moisturized all day long and not see any dry patches. You will love the Laneige water-based cream. So I use this right after the Beauty Elixir dries into my skin. I use it, and then my skin is ready for the day, and it's actually ready for makeup. But today was a makeup free day, so I just lather myself in this beautiful skincare ritual of the waterless skincare routine. Now, after that, of course, I have to add some type of lip balm. So I use the Fresh Pink Lip Sheer Tint. This one is a great moisturizer. I also want to say, not only is it a great moisturizer for the lips, it doesn't really have a tint to it, or maybe, you know, my lips just didn't have a tint to it with it, but it is a really great moisturizer for the lips. Don't be put off by the color. It's not makeup. It's just really great for the lips. If it gives you a pink tint, then you lucky. It doesn't give my lips the pink tint, but I like to use it as a moisturizer. And there you have it. That is my waterless skincare routine, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below, have you guys ever tried the waterless skincare routine? What do you guys think of it? I like it. I will say my skin felt nice and hydrated all day. Like, literally, I didn't want to touch my skin when it was nighttime, and I did not want to wash my face. That's how good this skincare routine was for me. So if you really enjoy this easy skincare routine, let me know in the comments down below. Have you tried the waterless Sinkless skincare routine? What is your favorite things about the skincare routine, and what products do you use for the skincare routine? If you have tried it, it's really popular in Korea. You know, that is how you keep your face looking youthful and young, is by using less stuff that dries out your skin. And when I mean stuff, I don't mean water. Water is great when added to certain things, but water is drying on its own. Let's be honest. It's drying on its own. It will dry out your skin. Our bodies are made up of water, but you know, when we take a shower, we have to put lotion on. If you are not putting lotion on your body after a shower, I'm side-eyeing you because you need the moisture. It helps keep your skin looking young and youthful. That's why you guys hear me stress hydration, hydration, hydration on this channel almost every video. With that being said, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this waterless skin, sinkless skincare routine. Y'all know I was going to try it because it was all about hydration. Y'all knew I was going to try it. With that being said, I really hope you enjoy it. Anyways, you guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and I'll see you in our next video. I love you so much. Bye, you guys.